everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to change your name on Gimkit. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in www.gimkit.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you are logged into your Gimkit account, and once you are, click the Me button at the top right hand corner. In the expanded menu, click Settings. Go to the first name text box and type in your first name if you'd like to change it to something else, and then you also have an option to change your last name, and finally, after you are done, you'll be able to change your name on Gimkit. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.